So William is wiring the house, and we are coming down to the end of our stash of 12 gauge wire, 12-2. My mom gave us some wire when we went to her place and we got the heavy gauge number 2 wire for the solar system. She also gave us some odds and ends of Romex. So I'm gonna go check out the powerhouse and see what we've got. All right. So, got some 14-2, not very much 12, but it'll do. We may have to go get another roll of the 12, such is life. Back to the house. Okay, so right now we have power incoming in 12 gauge to our bathroom, and William is wiring that switch right there. This will be an outlet. It's a fairly short run, which is kind of nice, and that white wire there, that 14 gauge that you see, is going to power our bedroom, which right now is camp cots, but that's okay. And it worked out perfectly. We had about 2 extra feet, and we are keeping all of the scraps from our wire for a couple of reasons. Number one, so that we can recycle the copper that's in them, recoup a little bit of our costs that way. Yes, every little bit helps.
Yeah, but she said.
There might be a few people who make fun of me for that. I don't care. And the other reason is so that we have short lengths to use when we hook up our outlets and our switches. So that is the order of the day.